Hi, welcome. Let's solve these questions. Number 1, solution. Okay, we have here root 48 plus 2 root 27 divided by root 5. Good. First thing we are going to do is to reduce them to 8 basic form. Already root 5 is in 8 basic form. So now this is root 48 is same as we have square root of 16 multiplied by 3. Here now we have plus 2 root 9 times 3, because 9 times 3 is what? 27. Then divided by root 5. Good. So we can now have equal to 16 is square root of 16 is 4. So we have 4 root 3 plus 2 root 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by 3 divided by root 5. Remember here is same as 4 raised to power 2. So pick one of the 4 and put it here. So I can now have here, 4 root 3 plus 2 multiplied by, pick one of these 3 because square root of 9 is already 3. Okay, then all in root 3 divided by root 5. So we now have 4 root 3 plus 6 root 3 divided by root 5. This is equal to 4 plus 6 root 3 all divided by root 5. Remember in surd, when you have a root b plus c root b, it will now be equal to a plus c. That is a plus c. They are the same, okay? So you pick it. Then all in root b, because the radicand b and b, they are the same. So you have a plus c root b. That is what I have done here. 4 and 6. Root 3 and root 3, just like root b. Alright, so we have 4 plus 6 root 5, 4 plus 6 root 3 divided by root 5. Okay, so we are going to have here that root 48 plus 2 root 27, 2 root 27 divided by root 5 is equal to 4 plus 6 is 10 root 3, all divided by root 5. This is not the end. We are going to rationalize now, okay? So rationalizing, we are going to multiply this root 5 to both the numerator and denominator to get rid of the radical sign. Okay, so I will have rationalizing 10 root 3 divided by root 5. I will have here 10 root 3 multiplied by root 5. This is root 5. So divided by root 5. So can now have 10 multiplied by root 3 times 5. Okay, divided by root 5 times 5. This is equals to 10 root 15. So you have 10 root 15. So you have 10 root 15 divided by root 5 multiplied by, remember everything is root 5 multiplied by root 5 is root 25, which is what? Okay, let me still put it here. Root 25, which is same as 5. It's the same thing. Alright, therefore 10 root 3 divided by root 5 is equal to 10 root 15 divided by 5, and this can now go 2 root 15. So we have 2 root 15. Therefore, when you simplify this expression here, you will have 2 root 15. Okay, number 2, we are given 2 log 25 base 5 is equals to x log 8 base 2. Recall that log a base a is equals to 1. Okay, so log of its own base is equals to 1. And log m base m raised to power b is equals to log m raised to power b is equals to b log m. We now have 2 log 5 raised to power 2 base 5 is equals to x log 2 raised to power 3 base 2, because 5 raised to power 2 is 25 and 2 raised to power 3 is equals to 8. Good. So 2, now we multiply these 2. We can now have 2 times 2 log 5 base 5 is equals to 3 times x log 2 base 2. So that I can have 4 bracket log of its own base is 1 is equals to 3x bracket 1. Okay, so we have 4 is equals to 3x. Divide through, so we have here divide through by 3. Okay, you have divide through by 3, you have 4 divided by 3 is equals to 3x divided by 3. Therefore, x is equals to 4 over 3. So the value of x here is 4 over 3, because here already you have 4 and the what? 3x. 4 equals 3x, so x is equals to 4 over 3. Alright, thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and like. Okay, go through it once again.